What I can tell you is this: him coming back
Yes.
to the White House, right? Becoming the
The
president again.
47th
It
president.
wasn't easy for him. Ang dami niyang pinagdaanan, di ba?
Grabe
No,
talagang...
from sa mga kung ano-ano mga allegations, from court, to the end, di ba?
Okay. So sabihin na natin, kunyari, of
Yes,
course. Okay, ewan ko, baka ba censored tayo.
Okay.
So, I mean, hypothetical,
Oh.
na let's say nagkaroon nga siya ng kasalanan or anything like
Yeah.
that. But we need to realize na we're not perfect. People make mistakes. Pero ang importante na ready na siyang magbago at baguhin at
Yes.
ituwid yung mga mali. Yun lang naman, di ba?
Yes. Kaya nga, what I'm saying is that after all that
What he been
bumps,
through.
what he been through, I mean, all the way to the campaign, to the end.
Not only that, he's so old. He's
Sobra.
almost 80 years old. Imagine
Yeah.
taking all that stress
Sobra,
at that age.
sobra. And then, at the end of the campaign, going to the election, muntik pa siyang masasanate. Twice, Twice, di ba?
Sino yung isang gustong mag-assassinate?
Meron pang isang munting nahuli lang, di ba? Right? Meron pang isa.
yeah.
So, it was really,
Marami talagang gustong...
na hindi mangyari.
Oo,
Hindi mangyari.
gusto talagang pigilan siya.
Oo. And I don't know really what's the deep within it, but I think, it's also God's will probably na dapat siyang nakaupo. Di ba?